Hello, تكون بخير حاتم Kurdish lessons. So, today I will teach you something very native. To say I know, we say as the right? As because present tense need prefix the zanam, the hum, the kum, the binam, right? But native speakers, of course, they don't use it. The verb zanin, we like native speakers say as zanam without the. So as zanam means as the zanam, they are the same. But when people speak, they don't use the at the beginning of zanin. So the zanam, they are the same. But when we write, we have to write as the zanam. It's grammar, right? The zanam. But when we speak, people say as zanam, to zani, aw zane, am zanan, hun zanan. Be careful, pronounce as zanam, but write as the zanam. But of course, if you say as the zanam, it